Welcome to the new Perkin-Elmer infrared microscope systems, the Spotlight 150i and 200i. Designed for lab scientists facing increasingly challenging samples which demand higher sensitivity yet simpler analysis and workflows, the Spotlight microscope systems provide scientists of all skill levels faster, more intelligent automation, state-of-the-art technologies, easy-to-use software and simple tools for setup, method development and data analysis, allowing you to get expert results more quickly and easily. By using automated microscope functions to locate regions of interest, setup times are reduced from minutes to seconds. Advanced spectral analyses are built into data collection for faster results and decisions, and reports and results can be visualized the way you need. The software interface is configurable to suit your needs and with local language support. Samples for IR microanalysis come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and spectral analysis can be a challenge for non-specialized operators. The smart automation accelerates setup and analysis, enabling you to get results like an experienced IR spectroscopist. Automatic sample viewing with novel feature finding quickly pinpoints the important regions of interest. The system can automatically determine optimum setup parameters for multiple regions or particles to dramatically reduce overall analysis times. Combining data collection and sophisticated spectral analyses drives faster results and decisions. Intelligent software helps you overcome analytical challenges, providing expert results whatever your experience level. Spotlight's advanced technology offers improved sampling with automated setup and operation. Now you can complete setup and characterization faster than ever before. The fully automated ATR sampling removes the need to section samples before measurement. Fully auto-driven from software, no special alignment is needed, with multi-point pressure adjustment for optimum contact to ensure best data. Advanced multi-component spectral analysis and further extensive advanced algorithms address a range of analysis challenges. Plus, Spotlight's unsurpassed sensitivity delivers superb data quality in shorter times, making fast work of even the smallest IR samples. Perkin-Elmer offers two FTIR options with Spotlight microscope systems to meet your lab's specific macro sampling needs. Spotlight is fully automated or available with manual sample stage versions. You can upgrade your existing Spectrum 2, Spectrum 100 or Frontier FTIRs, so moving to FTIR microsampling is easier than you think. With the Spotlight system, the macro IR sample area comes as standard, providing the highest performance and versatility for larger or standard IR samples, enabling you to get more from your system. Coupling Spotlight with Spectrum 2 enables you to perform fast, accurate mid-IR analysis and assures the quality of your materials across a wide range of applications, combining performance and low-maintenance design. Or with Frontier for the highest levels of FTIR sensitivity and configurability, with an extensive range of sampling and detector options. Frontier has a fully flexible optical system, extendable to near IR and far IR for macro samples, with a broad range of high-performance plug-and-play accessories that can be added as a scientist's research evolves. Furthermore, Frontier Spotlight 200i microscopes are upgradable to IR imaging by addition of Perkin-Elmer's unique array detectors, providing high-performance FTIR or NIR imaging capability. Intelligence for your biggest analytical challenges, performance for your smallest samples.